So here's a quick overview of the OneCart main dashboard. So if you have connected 10 shops or 15 shops or even 20 shops, it shows you all the data here. So this is just a dummy account. So these are fake numbers, but it just gives you an example of what you can see. So you can see the amount of orders that you have to process that are still pending to process. You'll also be able to see the orders awaiting shipment, so orders that you've basically begun to process but have not completed, still awaiting the pickup or drop off. You can see the amount of revenue that you've made from your orders today, as well as untracked SKUs. Now, untracked SKUs are SKUs that are not being tracked for the purpose of automatic inventory sync. So when the orders actually flow in, you want that inventory to be deducted automatically. So for that to happen, you need to make sure that your SKUs are being tracked, or rather they have these auto sync on. So you can, for some reason, for your own business needs, you may want to not track a few, and that's totally fine. That's customizable. But if you definitely want to track all of them, you can see if there are some that are not being tracked, and you can fix it immediately. We also have the pending imports card, which actually shows listings that are not matched to a SKU. So a listing is different from a SKU, as you may have learned from our other tutorial videos. So a listing needs to be matched to a specific product or SKU that you are selling. Again, this is important for inventory sync. So if a certain order comes in a listing, that inventory gets deducted correctly. So again, you may have some not matched for a specific reason, but if not, you would want to check this to ensure that it's all matched correctly. We have negative quantity stock. Now this is just a check in case there's something wrong with the account. For example, there may be some inventory that goes down a negative value. So why is that the reason? Perhaps the inventory count that is shown on your selling platform, for example on Shopify, may be 20 units, and then in OneCart it's 0. So when an order comes in, the OneCart quantity goes down to negative. So this is something that you can check. So if there's a mismatch, you know why, what happened. Perhaps the auto sync was not toggled on, for example, and you can fix it immediately. So these cards really are beneficial for your day-to-day operations. Below here, you also have a very simple graph to show the revenue from the last 7 days. So a quick overview. But of course, we have our report section as well, but that we will show in a separate video.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.